so na wonni bia eye nya kasa de ka kire wom omo bana se oh na ne ayi ntuma se de ntuma boy na no se me se me koto kwadu no me bisa kwadu no me to 2 cedis no so ma me nkete enumu se sen na me se kwadu no se an na se na bra u bisa kwadu no frɛ me ne de no so to wa bo kwadu ne price na me se na kwadu na nkete 5 adu 2 cedis yi o bia bra sa na se kwadu no kra ko na u bisa u kase kwadu na o frɛ me ne nkade na to madam wanum kasa bon wanum kasa stinky bon so we sa u business ne begu egu ana asofo na ehuna ma asofo nso ubenya omo so bebu afa so obaka to say abrewa bi otu fie ho a ba on kan kire say o kasa na enye denti na nkrofo ntowade on kan kire say eniema ba shop nim asofo no bebre no a sa na obeka kire but minim say maako bi wo mu asofo binum te say asofo bedi ako asofo efun kansa omo beka kire wo ena me ankasa me maso asofo righteous say obeka kire wo Reverend Anthony Kwajobu ache resurrection o se ye power ono so beka kire wo se madam wanum kasa nye but se okokochia sofo bi ono no wo pedi odi awu a so o pass mu asem we de na atie nti ono so beka asem we de na akire wo what you say sua sane ye kasa e de ton ade eni nti ya mo se na kwafu de am de business yes kwa woni nim sane obedada waje hu sika amo ato na de nti se woni mu a me ka kire wo kwafu de omo adwene nyina yisika yes yenim sane ebedada wo de ano afa wo ho a mira mesra masa mekrokro ma obeto ade no but bisa wo se wo sa na wo ti ana wo nye wasen wano ena wo de wo te shop ena watoto nioma bo den eya na enwanwa se obekọ odan ade obekọ bisa wo hono mo no ne bo efofofo obeba aboabo anansa asene na ne bo den wo dwenwa nti ase o se lord fair no mate nti lord fair no nchirichiri mu be na wo de ma wo customer no o mira mo amunim se lord fair kra tutum efi asene ha kra ko odan kane no na ese ne yatum ko sei nti yanso sane ye be ya ibinya kakra de ama yi ahwe ye ho ne ye de bi ahwe wo fa asenti no e na ama se ye de 22 cd bi na 11 cd bi de atoso sua kasa de ne ka kire wunua na ne ko dan wai odan wa na wonim se eye 2 cd ade na aba ha madam learn how to talk to your customers onyoma board den ne ka kire wa eye atiase nenya kasa de bi ka kire nipa na onyoma board den ye kasa ho nso so a wabufu pom papai eniema no ne wabusu yon beche di ate oda chinti eniema no ne board yama ne mra fam keep your prices moderate for your customers and ne beboa ama the future of the business no e be last for long oniema board ya obi ama e ba sanso a company no e na wugu no enu nti ye say keep your cost low oda chinti erade adom no so mfama me no mienu nyina
oda chinti
last one
oda chinti
okay nti yentoa so oda chinti ne yede asie no ene afutuo ne yede ama yen ho ye nyina ye business nti yede afutuo na ama yen ho enwo se we keep price no at a very peak obia ba wontimi mesra wo eya no keep no low na so obi kura mpo catch us okay o price no ewo mu se so de meto na emu ma de na ne bo wo soro saa eya nya abotre na chirichiri mu fa kire no why medofo eya nya abotre chirichiri mu kire no na eba saa business na beko nanim sa wudi ya menso so medi because anye bia some way somehow we will get connected menya wo so mfa so se ne won so umnya me so mfa so anopai erade onka ye nyina ho adum ne nti amen afa ye betia sim na ya compacho wadwe nchiro betumi dia ba 0594 841044 0594 841044 me read some messages ya abano sese ya the amount sanso ena omo de atoa yen ewo Facebook ho nso no ye beko ho na yakokenkan Facebook ho de nso so kakra the ama wo mo sisi ya ntimpacho you can as well keep yours coming as when it trickles in here no we will read it to the hearing of the whole world. Na unim say me no ka say NDC for the recommendations bi di aba bonten o mo kire say aba na ye aba ya na ye to ubehun yesi akwakoyi electoral commissioner no yemfane nko ba bia eno an say aban ni bo ni din the next thing is aban ebe leading or president to be precise ebo ni din na president adinanim na wasai eninti omso da bi e wo say ye jai saade no na say ye bo obi din say omra be electoral commissioner e wo say ye de ne kokofa parliament because say ye bo chief justice din a ye de ne ko parliament ye kotototo na no wie ye bo judge bi kura din ye de ne ko supreme court wa ye de ne kokofa parliament ye bo special prosecutor na anu kura ye de ne ko parliament so ati ase nti se ye bo obi din a e wo say ye de ne ko parliament obi a okọ aso ye very sensitive sa no e wo say ye de ne ko parliament na ono nso so yakototo na no wo ho both minority majority no na appointment committee wo mo atena so atoto na no eba sa ebe ma onipa na remain very competent recommendation a enkrofo applaud ebi nso robeshe eno de Ghana ha no mo esu bia na adwen kire entia na yebeto aso before that no amenkwa homa no so enkobo nkomo wi emfa emrame ba na fei yensan tinsim nkonkwohwe ehon so nia ekoso me economy ni yera Daniel Nsebwa Amoa akotwetwe enkomo opani na otu Ghana mabunu ne fo se Ghana mabunu no as a sympathy ni ya doso yakwa kobisa no sympathy no kan opeso o kire sen yera no pe wote yenka ye mo ache de ba henkan 93.3 FM so
ye jao
apu mboko de
mpacho yeso do mboko mpacho mo so ye
nyame adom yenso ye ho ye pa Wadaromo minim say we a bit familiar with this statement or say sympathy seeking generation in Ghana must stop. We are a bit familiar with it.
Okay, sympathy seeking before I make a summit here with you for now. Sympathy seeking generation me home for from the book for from Troya me lunch in the last week in the and crying home. We are familiar with the topic now.
Oh, okay. Inti, why that topic?
Okay. Also, young Ghana memo no, yeah, before can say me say yeah, person so is right. Obesha, near be honoma, to honoma. Opese program na say or how no on a tuntra and so on make sure that na say on yeah well and say my program no to try. For instance, if I say obi or community no pipe issue pipeline baby a pipe issue no egusa esa na say person ko report you say tuntra so
Mr. Daniel.
Yes sir.
I don't know say who you sue earpiece my feed bi wa hanti wadaroma.
But you mean you earpiece.
Oh okay. Hey, I think say it's a bit okay now. Obetimi atwa so.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Intina me can be say fan say there your community be money be a pipeline be up high. Maybe I hope say onko report Ghana Water Company Limited. Me once when we say water colleagues and so anything sense you be almost take advantage at the sense you be. At the end of the day, because they all sympathize with them, to me and can assembly but it's not about on mine and soccer. I feel me some example for sympathy because a mobile. I say we are so be person boy or cry. If say we have a only project, we know person boy. We be say so when you're saying no so anything and for be anything and count them out. The Ghana form the bono on my own. I will do level be I say yeah pay mobile too much. Or say from scratch. Obimbo na sa anko see yes, I almost say I buy boy. I almost say society boy. I almost say I offer ne abusiane. We are seeing na boy. Ne mom I say so yenye bibi endu baby ansana. Let me I call it for that help from other people. You cannot say oh there be a whole train say go from the boy. Ne mom na wankasa unye bibia. That's the brief of the book. Something brief about the book. Coming to me, I can say.
Okay, so yemfa ne say me wo eye community bi mu. Community na mi wo mu no mato aba e de ama assembly member and a unit committee members. Me hunu say pipe bi apai ɛna metwi mpanimfo yi adwene ɛde aba so ɛno me seeki sympathy bi
But only a writing away, but they are not a person example. If you are one, but then when we sustain microphones, we take advantage of it. Because the person is sympathizing with microphone, we take advantage. I'm going to come feel free. It's known to me, or my said yes, on reporting the right authorities number fixing. On an example, now, man, I think.
Inti ono talking about say bia makun se pipe bi apai na matwe phone asi so me say momra mehwe achema boabo pipe bi wa ha apai ya ka kire mpanimfo nti eno na wo kana na
me pese me nkyere ne say bia ya friend mpanimfo nti the right thing about ne say obeka kire mpanimfo na say obeka da police quarters no my den omate no ma be ye ehun adwuma na mom say obeka say I say I bind the empty. I don't make me address say I dear enkoyi into me embo mine.
Okay. Just say baby I wasn't camera ye adwuma no yeso omunyai. I bind the obi ade mo use ni free mo say no. Now because na senior my identity almost ombo bi nko say no senior man. Okay, just say akwa no wato traffic emra no nanso so yamane nko Ghana ni we ya wokọ kire ni sika afi ya akra no wa hyase a we adwuma saa ne no. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Inti we no watro ni nyina de gu nwoma ni mu on.
Mpacho ni de gu nwoma no.
I see. Ma ye na say o message ni quite clear now. Inti no bibia ni e besan ba. Yeah, that's Bibre. Yani Daniel in Semboa Amoa Ena Ekotwitwin Enkomono. All right, and in 41 minutes after 8, still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Mami ni we free hono mona afei yensan entwaso emfa ema o message no me pacho betimi dia ba 0594 841 044 0594 841 044. Mami Efia Bruni anopai me ma good morning. So ho ye de radia se nyame nhiramu era se pa messages ni bi e dia ma omanfu anyways ma min coding komo we mra you can as well keep yours coming na ebrene so ayentimi enkinkan fama o ye be ko ahoma ne so biom ye ko across so na across so e na aba beto dwa nananom hemfo a wo se okada riders no said omo ye okada no wo ho no nti omo de tabo no ato so omo kire se kro ne omo na omo dia nti di omo beka na omo antie dia e na omo de twie eso ewa na empani ni mamanu damu yi ni ye nkwada yi
opanini to phone na ko sha bebundi ni to phone ejamu na mbeka
sa pepe ye jiri se o manfo ho ye ewa across so
nyame adom bibia boko across
ye de radia se na yenim se asem a ye tetie yi efiri momo ho no mo a mo se mo mpene ma okada twie nkoso wa across so efiri mo ho
because of
na enkrofo anu aduane nso ne yeye yo
na obi wanu aduane ti bekumi
okay
na enkrofo so wanu aduane no won kope
ene obi nso kra send message kire se ahyawofo nso wanu aduane ne he o mokope
garantifo so wanu aduane no kope
nana ma ye mo nwura asem ni mu ankasa efiri he na abeduru ba bi a yadure yi
kwa we tsunami tia watifo emi se okada start o mem achekakra nchekra mvi mi no de emi se edu kakra ye hu mfom so da bia ye frewon ene won kasa ye frewon won kasa me from krama frewon be prensa wo anyi ene won kasa oka on je hwa ye bebo yitinko yo ye si poema fi enkore on fi on di wa no enkore ya kakra no hia kakra enkore yo na abia ha ye ne se adi chimbia mutubuni ba o de ball so anu gane no ja hokko because moto na no my mo anu hu no ma kwa moto kuna ball no gane ko Akɔso saa ɛha yɛn kunkuma no nkunkum yɛn nkurɔfoɔ woba pepra nkwantama ebi kyekyere ne nsa wɔ hɔ frɛfo ebu hɔ ne nyinaa yɛ moto nti sɛ sɛbe meyɛ pani ti kurom na metena hɔ na wei kɔ so di ase ne mahu me pani di anka moto asɛm yi nka yɛ aban asɛm sɛ apolisifoɔ hwɛ di ho dwuma nso wɔn nim na Ghana biribiara yɛ politics yɛbɛkyew pɛ na instructions from above when you journey partner, I feel my entry travel, my didn't cost us. We did kind. All come with to on that age from 12 years to 14, 16. So, school. And I teach a form of Shama, dear Coachly, more the money pine shad, you know. What to do? Yeah,
my decay bo obroni fra or stakeholders. My bobo, you will say, Mona, moye custodians of the land, dear. Nanso so. Yɛwɔ mpanimfoɔ bi ɔmo nso keka ho bi assembly ɛne police mpanimfoɔ wɔn keka ho no mabobɔ ɔmo nyinaa ma ne ama ɔmo agye atuma nsa na mutu anamon yi
wasɛm wɔ ɔsɛ obroni wɔn ntare yɛdi kan abɔ akɔ MTT commander hɔ yɛkɔ yɛn district commander mmerɛ a yɛahyɛ yɛne assembly manfoɔ ne unit committee for and I said Marawi. Only had the two be and I'm penny I have cut because near or chan and nanny at the ball or Udian can never far. Or she had the back was in mammy. And the over to up one of the Uncle so I got and so on so on. And the Yakakon, I can't promise so. The may come and Mamma Sunti and a fresh eggman because you be when you call MTT for a commander. Na afutu of mine into infant trouble thing. That who said a person for never. And I won't be on person to know. But do be a pine mound, pine moon to Sana Mono. As a only now a Wakada. Not dashing across your Petrachinia. And about your letter my.
Enti we no sha se da ben e na nhyehyeye enso te sen.
Oh okay. Yamma won free danu kwasia dana na ya dae no the copim 40 days. Was 40 days ni dia dae. Enti amma enema suma me said that you call a police for no ehia police for so china nyame bo on ma yan kwampa no chon beba eno won so transe esin konwa na to sa nyama nyina ho. Enti yamma won 40 days ni ye nyanto ho yɛne apolisifoɔ no aban mu nipa fo no nyinaa ɛhyia hwɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ na adi asomdwe bɛba na ɛmfa ntɔkwa ne ɔyɛ ne biam
enti na ɛno no ɛhyɛ ase a wo a yɛbɛhu sɛ wote moto so koraa no yɛne wo bi ka
da binyɛ saa kwan no so sɛ yɛhwɛ wo pani wo sɛnea ɔyɛ adu na wo baage bu akyi wokɔkyerɛ wadeɛ na wote moto so obi ani ɔne asɛm ka na mmom make sure sɛ wo moto no nɔma bɔ ho amade kopimo bia ye hu sɛ wo na ade pemen moto wa cross nyina no ma mobia ho
yes me tie dia wo ka no a mo pese mo regularize on
very good and na ye some of fragmented no on go school because I am remember unya 18 years I am allowances and a 12-year boy come to papa a retired pastor, about 80 years penny. Now, was sorry, no power cost for the Napam, which I'm saying, at the book of free, a phone brim. Now, 80 years, but my or didn't take up before. And your how no, the other thing I was in I did say, and now you go to Casamino. I did say, and what was so. So, I have a Kanyamia and Atumuna. Or your medical or your Diane Tom or Tom Brayo. Was your crown who tea at the Anadia Mobi, Obi Toby. I don't see a man soon in now, got them drow.
Oh,
anybody is on Van Gogh to do, no, Johnny. Obi the motor Bobby, Nipanago San Hoya, one mefeno. And I remember who's a wounded motor. And you don't want to have a tour here and himself, young friend and Casabio Binyana, Yaramo, Ibicacra. Everyone was only more he be our man. You know, but when you know, a hard dream.
na nana we de ye jawa mo akokra nanso trokronkron no trokronkron aka se ye nko hodenfo fie e wabra ye yi akea we no bambo ho nsem eno so sen netie mo emema bi a o mo nso abatiri abo a mo beboa mo adi sa adwuma yi
ya njenu ti ate ai watch dogs mo kan say ai volunteer ya ai volunteer for ha ya pese ai appreciate for be bio one no ye di won kire o man no na on su gina no boa appreciate for no so kan in fact appreciate for ye mpatem ha ebre ebe on was across the police station ni personal na ye adwuma ho no ye for we inspector na ai constable ni ai we fence a corporal no ni ade no a three pen kan no and this on mine am VNC from near Moa across Korea so at least any crab 100 is across was it say
a hadwin pa
enti
nana
me can say na me faso na me don say IGP saja na tiefo bi tie ya hu yo mobo no na ni me hwa no police station no on fa workers no business no mra na ye won say ye wa down head be mo watena na on metem no hwe kure man because say go for a ka won tele na wo police station wa obi kun kura ka o say me kwa na ma me dey police station akọ the IGP wo tie ya panichao ni IGP awaba on hu ya mobo na on ni ye betua na mo akọ de bet otini mfrema mu a ye ba na ITT amaye na on ye posu on de bia ba across so
nana adwene po amode aba ne ye pa edinti yen ahenka na FM yen so ye tamachi bibia ni amobehia yen aya amoma ya sonte ye da ase anope wo bre no wada age we nyama yen piao abusia ye ne nana kwabena ofori a otoso mienu ono na oye achem akroso hene ene ye ne kwatwetwe enkomo no me pa cha kai na shane nso sedwumedie ye maachen live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM Richard Ampoma ese Ahenkan maye ni nyina nyame onhyira mo pa Paul Frempon ono nso se Ahenkan FM de in fact ontimi nya tie o utie sa Azeman Edifree Azeman Ventures Chronom oni marketing din hwe animu ene o se NLC e wo so omo animanimu ya omo redraw case ya omo de atia utag redraw no mo nyina mra fie emra me solve sa asemi na anoba ba ye wo hoyi e ma ba eto Azeman e dia wo no nso so ene anopai odi free chronom e de ba ye eno no Bosheba Amisti Edifree Goso Zango or say Ghanaians we should have faith na yensan support na nado dan kwakufu adopa because oyo mampania wotie nipa na odwene nipa nso ho wo hwe nneoma ahodo a wode agu apono so a eyade eboa ama onipa yi die etimi akonanim eni nti wo sra Ghana for se yenkoso anya botre emfa ma mampania kufu ado Bosheba Amisti dia odi free Goso Zango edi eba ye no senchia enko ema ni hard working esunafo North MC Honorable Yaw Oseboahin ena Honorable Patrick Bano Esutifi North Member of Parliament Bosheba dia ono so edi ba ne anopay eno no Nana Antoine Puma ono so se more fire monko so anamu adwuma emfa emayen or hweyen live all the way from Adenta and crying Nyankopon enhyira yen we are the best in the east ampa me ba cha so betumi e de wo de aba na makenkan ne kama e de amount we see ye frame ni nsam anitime toto asre Ghana for me sremo muni nhihye no so na emwa yen pa Nyankopon so enhyira oman Ghana ene o mampani akufu ado a ode na bedome yen ebri emu corazon indomitable asemu osikoso a na ebo adwuma efa ema oman Ghana yeda se bibri for coming through with your message we enso so esdien okay nti usu betimi do de ne de aba Kojo Abam Peter azrain Kojo Abam Peter from Otabel Onyankopon onhyira ne adwuma wo ye Kojo Abam Peter from Otabel no so you kura na me de binim se Otabel yedin o All right. Wait till about me patch wo ehin fa na menya Yewra Daniel na ne kasa e ni book ni bi. Achire yebe di hu dwuma de amount no. Koso ani tie yen why? Achire yebe di hu dwuma e de amount. Onso betimi de de aba 0594 841044 0594 841044. Sounds na mo amohwe ma memfa we emfa ntwamu ma wansa na me ba. Yasan atwa so na yedi enkoma horo no aka no a
KNY Electronics. And the down. So Upe TV, rechargeable Bluetooth speakers, games console, game CDs, Bluetooth headphones, sound bar, computer accessories, mobile phone accessories, and a mobile phone kasa.
And one KNY Electronics.
You so watch him down in Potama. Problem be anyhow. Upe so beto you may be do so poor. E kwanda ho. Ne mumuno. So upe se di bro baby bia uwa. Fra KNY Electronics 20-580-3647. Ana 0244-055-122.
Ojam se upe quality electronics product dia. Eye KNY Electronics.
Ye chira kwanya hwehwe na ye won kran North Carnation Swan Lake. Ye ni Holy Trinity bus stop. Ene di hwani mu. KNY Electronics. Quality product nkwa ene yeton.
Thank you.
Okay, Elunti, good morning enko emfama ofro owusu. Wo eye what's your friend saying Asene Rentals. Make say wodin bi o. Pentecost aso saloon na wo ho no. Omo mfa hinkan eni agro kra nyame hira wo. Ena man bi ewo minim ni din. It is very bad. Minim ni din owo okọ achim dan kroni mu ankasankasa. Otonton TV ne machines ne nyoma ono so won fa hinkan ni agro kra ma wo mo on mankrofo sika no mo so meto TV ni bi mfa nko adom nti amen se we nyampa ye money o na ni otonfu da kakra obo mpa se nipa ngu de tena ho enti GH boy owusu from Asene Rentals made us say nyame onhira opa monko so na munkrokro mu sa ye de ba yi na manso yi mu a anka ye ne hwan nyame onhira mo muni hwa ye ni ho ena yenso ye ni ho amuso muni ho etietietitia intertwine sanete na K Asenso Limited say anopai men kan kire wo se open konwa papa e de adi dwuma e K Asenso Limited ho ena me kanfo e de amawo nti ye was swinging wheel office chairs ye ka se swinging a akonwa a utimu a utimi etwa wo ho utimi dandan wo ho te se nea me ye wa ha mu a mo hwe me wo Facebook no yeah me dandan ho sa e swinging etimi ko benkum na ko nifa utimi twa ho sa no ada no ho no san ba besi eno no eboa wo e ma se wonko na wote office a utimi tene won nsam no wa ye wade utimi tene won nsam na wa bobi wa ha e sa pepepe nanso ompe no e na wo pe akonwa no stiff nya utimi na wote fa ko a ni nyina nso so ye wo bi e wo eye K Asenso Limited quality wooden chairs nkonwa ye di nua papa e na aye ye di nua na aye na eye papa eye K Asenso ho pe e na wobenya bi nti ono na me kanfo dia ma na no pe yi ko na kokopebi eto yesan wo authentic bookshelves papa eno no o de document bia gumu a emfie petepepepepe na da so ehyehyem enyira ye bookshelves ni bi wono ma bekọ na achia ne ho saa ha adwene mepacho yen ye ho de ne de eye papa eni ntime kanfo e de amount so what you say thank you Seko Adabraka of Iran Clinic Carnation so Flamingo Road ubehunu K Asenso Limited ewo ho enomo enti ya na wakakopin konwa ne be ya ato baby a wo bia wo to a delivery omo be ye de amount frɛ wo mo ewo 0302 257 9 0302 257 209 and a 0302 919-739. K Asenso Limited, or see home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. And I don't pay Snake to Semin Canchero. Say, I'm sorry, delete you. Eddie free pensioners, woman and krata emu. Delete the free pensioners, woman krata emu. Into say, would me now when you're 72 years and above, na uni pensioners certificate here. na je se wa na pese delete within the free snit nkrata emu ompe ne saa de a ene na me kanfo e de amon anopa ya se ma na ma oto na kɔ wo mo office ho ukoduru ho no mo aka kire mo se wanya 72 years and above unni eye wo nurse certificate na me kan ho asem no ebi omunye bi ma ombe ne tentempa e de amon na se wantie na 30th of this month eduru ho no mo na still sa na tie de a ene na opani ono eno e director general Adema Snit o se me kan kire wo se omu be delete 13,000 plus names ene de free wo mo enkrata mu umpasi be delete wo de free mu a ene na no pay ya wo se wo de wani kire mu ho no mo Snit office bia ba bia wo ba bia wo timi nka bia no ko Snit office na kokko ye registration na gisa pensioners certificate no ebi na Snit kro no asem nsan kan kire wo se omo ka NIA number no ena face Snit number ne de abuma e ba akopɛ nte be Ghana card ne pɛ o kwa o de Ghana card ne pɛ ne de be kɔ obetimi de akɔ sika obetimi de sika kɔto obetimi de akɔ bibia a wo se wo ye ene nti obe dial star 7 11 star 9 hash star 7 11 star 9 hash na wetimi a dial me pa chaw o dial wi anu a follow prompt no di prompt no so kakra sa na fe won so etimi merge wo number no eye Snit ena NIA no na fe amoma Ghana card no simple kra ba bia ope bia betumi e de akwa kodi ujuma won te de American 0094 0800 110094 eno ne Vodafone pe ena obetumi afra ye to free no ye sign ewo email eno ye contactcenter@snit.org contactcenter@snit.org eno no eye one email address eno no WhatsApp number ni 050,000 3050 050,000 3050 Facebook, Twitter, Instagram handles no Snit Ghana me pacho tie mame na fe tu so anamon ne kra no KNY Electronics wa woni mu dada madi ho nkoma a kire wo dada me pacho mo amofrɛ no nso mo amahuna danse no omanimo te na said omo ni nipa kasa omo wa abotre kire niam mu kire nipa because omo ni madwuma no omo ye no nti me kanfo e de ama wo eye KNY Electronics on se ope quality but affordable eye papa a ne bo san wo fam TV no size type bi a wo pe ubenya bi rechargeable Bluetooth speakers, games console, games CDs, Bluetooth headphones, sound bar, computer accessories, mobile phone accessories, and a brand new mobile phones. A KNY Electronics and American for Eddie Amount. Now, or say, Emfa huni baby a war. I will tear me. Say, oh, Fred, Womaka say, oh, baby, I may pass me, no one who didn't come on phone so. Baby, I will be a delivery no Eddie Amount. Yawo Encrying. A whole man I try a Cassiano Ewo Encrying. North Kaneshi Swan Lake. Yani Holy Trinity Bus Stop no. And a ED and share anymore. Encrying. North Kaneshi Swan Lake. Yani Holy Trinity Bus Stop. And a ED and share anymore. Freying. Ewo 0205 803647 0205 803647 matumi bona me bo number no and an MTN no a 0244 05 5122 0244 05 5122 KNY Electronics. Quality but affordable home appliances for you. And it's me patch all of my intra honomo. Monkon kopebi. Se o frewom na ubo mi din kra de ne atadwen. What then there? O percentage or de be ma wo. Unya bo mi din se obo ba ho na mete no se o ka e wo ne morning show ne di mu enkomo e wo soro ha. And it's me patch also to ho na mo sa afama me. Osi Otabel no e wa benase circuit yo yate Otabel ene e cheche Otabel for Yeah, checha utable for. Yeah, that's be brave. Anyway, so 8 minutes after 9, still live on Ahinkana the 3.3 FM. Yeah, but na ya twaso amao. Tie kwa de me san basisi ya. Yeah, baby, I sana mirio. Manante, 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 manante. That's when go yo. La bella, give my life what I know. Yeah, baby, I sana mirio. Manante, 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 manante. That's when go yo. I can't play anyway, baby. I don't come over, I marry. When I met my marriage son, we'll be on the master man when I'm married. My dog food, half of you, marry. Say, if I. I didn't read from my body. Baby, I'm a phobia, and it's shy. We are sick, we'll be Joviva. We'll be animal.
I ain't got FM.
Let my friend, I'm in the vida to shine. Yes, shine.
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahinkan 93.3 FM